Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is kids special. We are going to make peanut butter. Kids love peanut butter sandwiches. These days, of course, peanut butter is easily available in the stores, but that contains preservatives. So why not we make it at home? Healthy version which is preservative free and enjoy it. And this is such a versatile one. Apart from using it as sandwich spread, we can also make many other dishes like cookies, smoothies. You can even make peanut butter chicken. It can be used in some salad dressings like gado gado, satay, peanut sauce, many more. So let's proceed to make this healthy version at home peanut butter.
Here we have taken 500 grams of peanuts, raw peanuts, 1 tablespoon of honey, and salt, quarter teaspoon or half teaspoon as preferred. Now let's measure out these peanuts in cup so that we know how many cups to take. Peanuts are excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. However, they are rich in calories, so should be enjoyed in moderation. Here we have measured 3 cups. Cups are always an easy measurement. Now let's dry roast the peanuts. Take a heavy bottomed pan, transfer the peanuts and start stirring with a spatula. Alternately, you can also keep them in the oven for 10 minutes. Keep stirring them continuously so that they get roasted evenly. Friends, a small request, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on the bell icon and choose all option so that you don't miss out any notification. They are nearly done. It took me about 10 minutes to do this, adjusting the flame in between. We have very well roasted peanuts here. If you want a lighter color, you can roast for 8 minutes. Now we let them cool very well. See, the skin comes off very easily after roasting. Now we are going to transfer them onto a kitchen towel. Take a clean dry towel, spread the peanuts on it and start rubbing them vigorously. This way the skin will be removed very easily. Now using a sieve or a frying ladle, you can separate the peanuts. The skin will be separated easily. Repeat the process second time as well to make sure all the peanuts are peeled. There should be no skin left. Here we have very well roasted and peeled peanuts ready. Let them cool very well. Transfer them into a jar, add salt and honey and start blending them. Vegans can skip honey and add little sugar or powdered jaggery instead. Now this takes a very long time, so while blending, make sure you cool the blender after each blend at least 5 minutes gap, because these motors cannot withstand this heat, so they have to be cooled down unless you are using a very heavy duty ones like Hamilton Beach, which you can continuously run. Now you can see that the groundnut mixture has become lumpy. At this stage you can just mix with the spatula, separate the lump and continue blending. The process is really time consuming, but it's worth it, worth the efforts. You get pure, preservative free, homemade fresh peanut butter. Apart from using this as a sandwich spread, you can use it in many other ways too, like making smoothies, cookies, many desserts and even savory dishes like some Thai style chicken satay, peanut sauce. So this is such a versatile one to have in our refrigerators. And kids really love peanut butter. Now the mixture has become little creamy and it's easier to blend. You can see the texture. Lovely. And as I mentioned before, if you want a lighter shade of the butter, you can roast them only for 8 minutes. But I like the well roasted flavor of the peanuts. Now this is nearly done. It's ready. Now transfer it into a dry, clean, sterilized jar. The yield is about, say, 1.5 cups, I can say, from 3 cups of peanuts. Delicious, creamy, smooth, tasty peanut butter is ready. Look at the perfect texture. Loving it. Can't wait to try out some dishes with this. Maybe cookies or some savory dishes. Let's see which I'm going to choose first. Homemade is always the best, isn't it? I'm sure you agree with me. So what are you waiting for? Quickly give it a try and share the feedback with me. Lump free, nice, creamy texture. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll soon be back with many more recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, follow it and share it with your friends. Here are some videos from the archives. Have a look at them as well. And I'll soon be back with interesting recipe. Bye until then.